selecting the right refrigerator for you. When you're looking for a new side-by-side refrigerator, you need to get a few basic measurements. Left to right dimension of your hole, height, make sure the cabinet, if you have cabinets above, make sure you measure from the bottom of the cabinet to the floor and measure the depth. We want to make sure also there's nothing really interfering the opening of your door because it may prevent you from opening your crispers. The next thing you need to decide is, do you want ice and water in the door? Okay? There's very few options without ice and water in the door, especially in the smaller 33-inch width. So really you're only going to have two widths on a side-by-side to select from. One, 35 3/4, or what we say is a 36, which is what this unit is, or a 32 3/4, which would be a 33-inch wide unit. So those are the two major sizes when you're looking for a new side-by-side refrigerator, is to what to consider. And the other thing, as I said, is the ice and water dispenser. Okay? When you get the ice and water dispenser, it does take up a lot of space inside your freezer. So if you get a unit without it, you will pick up an extra shelf on your freezer door or two shelves. You will pick up an extra shelf inside. And cost-wise, there's not going to be a whole lot of difference. So if you're looking to save some money by not getting this, you're not going to save as much as you think. Visit Don's Appliances for more information.